Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 Mid-Level 2 Riverwood Realty. Basically, this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction, we are given with project description. This is the project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well and get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this project description, this will be easy for you to understand this assignment well. So please go through this and get an idea about the assignment. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project, and we have a total of 13 steps to get this assignment done. So in this video I am not only going to solve these steps or questions, but I am going to make you learn the Excel as well. So if you want to do this assignment for you, please watch this complete video, follow me step by step so that you can solve this assignment on your own and you can learn the Excel as well. So now let's move to step number 1 of the assignment, or question number 1 of the assignment, that is saying start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 Mid-Level 2 Homes. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So I have already downloaded this Excel workbook. This is the Excel workbook that we're gonna use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we gonna make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this Excel workbook. I have already downloaded, and you can download from your Pearson dashboard. So now we will move to step number 2. Okay? And step number 2 of the assignment is saying freeze the pane so that column labels do not scroll off screen. So these are the column labels at top row of the worksheet. These are the column labels. So we are supposed to freeze the pane so that column labels do not scroll off screen. That's mean when now we are scrolling the worksheet down, the column labels disappear. We are supposed to freeze the pane when we go off screen or when we scroll the worksheet. The column label should not disappear. So to do so, we will simply go to View tab and go to Window section and click this Freeze Pane arrow and click Freeze Top Row. So now you can see a horizontal line below the top row. Okay, that's mean top row has been frozen. When we scroll the worksheet down, the column labels do not disappear. Okay, the column labels do not go off screen. So that is all about step number 2. We are supposed to freeze the top row of the worksheet. That's mean when we scroll the worksheet down, the column label should not disappear. So we have frozen the top row of the worksheet. Okay, that is all about step number 2. Okay, now let's move to next step, that is step number 3. And step number 3 of the assignment is saying convert the data to a table and name the table sales. So this is the data that we are supposed to convert this data into a table, and then we are supposed to give a name to this table that should be sales. So click anywhere in the table, then go to Insert tab and click Table. So once we will click the table, all the data in the worksheet will be selected and click OK. So now you can see that we have converted the data into a table. Okay, now we are supposed to give a name to the table that should be sales. So click anywhere into the table and then go to table design. Here you can see the table name, and table name is table 1, because this worksheet or this workbook has only one table, this table. That is one. That is where automatic name for this table is table 1, but we are supposed to give a new name to this table that should be sales. So we will click here and we will remove this name and we will type sales here. After typing the name sales, press enter. So now we have given a name to this table that is sales, and that is all about step number 3, where we are supposed to convert the data into a table and then we are supposed to give a name to the table that is sales. Okay, so that is all about step number 3. Now we are supposed to do step number 4, and step number 4 of the assignment is saying apply purple table style dark tan to the table. We are supposed to change the style of the table to purple table style dark tan. So click anywhere into the table, then go to table design. Here you can see the table style. Click the arrow so that we can see all the styles in the workbook, and we are supposed to apply purple table style dark tan. So this is the purple table style dark tan. This is the table style that we are supposed to use, purple table style dark tan. So we will select this and you can see the table style has been changed to purple table style dark tan. Okay, and that is all about step number 4 of this assignment. Now we're going to do next step, that is step number 5. And step number 5 of the assignment is saying remove duplicate records from the table. Excel should find and remove 8 duplicate records. So we are supposed to remove the duplicate records from the table. To do so, click anywhere into the table, go to table design, and here you can see the option remove duplicates. Click this option, and now you should make sure that all of these boxes should be checked, because we are going to find duplicate records from whole table. So all columns should be selected, like trans ID, address, city. These are the column labels name. Okay, so these all boxes should be selected. Click OK. So now it is saying 8 duplicate values found and removed. It is already mentioned in the instruction that Excel will remove 8 duplicate records. So we have removed 8 duplicate records. So click OK. So that is all about step number 5. So we are done with 5 steps of this assignment, and now we're going to do step number 6. Step number 6 of the assignment is saying add a new column in column I, and name should be days on market. Use unqualified structure reference to calculate the days on market, and days on the market will be equal to sales date minus listing date. So we will subtract the listing date from the sales date, then we will get the days on the market. Okay, set column I width to 14 points. Okay, now let's go to the workbook and go to column I, and here we are supposed to add a new column. That name should be days on the market. So here we will type days on market. Okay, after typing this, just press enter, and you can see that we have added a new column to this worksheet, that is days on the market. So now we will select this column I, and we will go to Home tab and go to Format and click column width. And we are supposed to change the column width to 14 points. So select 14 and click OK. So we have added a new column, days on the market. Now we are supposed to calculate the days on the market into this column I. That we can do by subtracting the listing date from the sales date. So we will go to I2, type equal sign and sales date minus listing date. We are subtracting the listing date from the sales date and press enter. So we got the days on the market. Okay, that is all about step number 6 of this assignment, where we were supposed to calculate the days on the market by subtracting the listing date from the sales date. So now let's do step number 7. And step number 7 is saying apply a total row to the sales table. We are supposed to add a total row to the sales table, set the selling price and days on market to the average. So we are supposed to add a total row to the end of this table. So click anywhere into the table, go to table design, and here you can see the table style options. And you can see total row is here. We will check the box for this total row. Now you can see that we have added a total row to the end of the table. Now we are supposed to select the average for the selling price and days on market. So this is the days on the market column. Click into the cell I-83, click this arrow and select the function average. Okay, 72.18 is the average day on the market. Now for the selling price, again click in cell F83 and select average. This is the average selling price. So we were supposed to add a total row to the table, then we were supposed to use the average for the selling price and days on the market. Okay, and that is all about step number 7. Okay, now let's do step number 8. And step number 8 of the assignment is saying apply the default top 10% conditional formatting to column F. We will select column F starting from cell F2 up to F82. We will select this range and we are supposed to apply conditional formatting. That should be top 10%. So to do so, first select the range F2 up to F82. This range will be selected. Then go to Home tab and in Styles you can see conditional formatting. Here you can see top and bottom rules. And we are supposed to apply top 10%. Okay, we are applying conditional formatting to column F, that is the selling price, and we will select the range F2 up to F82. Then we will go to Home tab, go to conditional formatting, go to top and bottom rules, and from here select top 10%. And that should be default, so we will simple click OK. So these are the top 10% of the selling price. Okay, so that is all about step number 8. So in this video I have solved 8 steps for you. That is 80% of the assignment that I have solved for you in this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all of your Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another powerful solution. Thank you so much again.